Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm here with Ivana.
Hi guys.
She's such a good friend. Like, we decided to go hiking today.
Yeah.
Like, how do you feel about hiking today? How do you feel about hiking today, Ivana?
Well, it's so hot. I just
Yeah.
hope we will survive.
Yeah.
We'll see.
We'll see. But like, this place is so good. Let me just like show you guys like everywhere. Bye. Say hi, Ivana.
Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course. Keeping it together like I did.
Be careful. That's all I can say.
Think that I've said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment.
So guys, we're just coming from like that place. There, like, we've walked all like that place we've covered here, and we still have like so much to do.
No.
But like, I feel like we're like halfway.
I hope so.
I hope.
We took a little break. So.
Yeah, we took a little break because of like we were like feeling so exhausted. So we want to like play some, after a bit we want to play some music while we're walking, so we can just get into it.
Yeah, give us some energy.
Energy. So let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
To take it all back. Maybe it's time to get home. Think that it's going a little too far, even after all the white noise. Oh, I still wanted to restart. Give all you're taking my time. Feels like I'm patiently waiting in line. So can we ever have another moment? Can you just be honest? I was only wondering if maybe we can take it to a different conversation. Things are getting comfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that still you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. That's in the corner just to get space, 'cause I wanna believe that. From far away she looks so good. Grew up in the same neighborhood, and that's how to rub salt in the wound. Spend a few hours on the reservoir. Never broke a bone, so I'm gonna try hard to prove you wrong. That I'm not who I used to be. I'm not living at 17. Let's go.